Hello everyone, welcome back to UGIIT. So I am Kaushik Mondal, and in this brand new Webflow complete course, I will guide you from absolute beginners to professional Webflow developer. So whether you want to build website for your business, become a freelancer, or start a career in web design, in this course is designed for you. So in this video, we will give you a brief introduction to what Webflow is, who it's for, and how it fits into the broader landscape of web designing and development tools. So let's get started. So first, what is Webflow? So Webflow is visual web development platform that lets you design, build, and publish website all in one place. So you will you work visually directly on a canvas, and Webflow generate the underlying HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as you design. The code is produced is clean and production ready. Know the boilerplate output you often from drag and drop website builders. So Webflow is used by a wide range of people. Designer use it to build pixel perfect site without handing off to a developer. So developers use it to speed up front-end work while still having full access to the code layer when they need it. Marketing and content teams use it to manage and update website independently. And agencies and freelancers use it to build client site efficiently and maintainability. And the platform has several key parts. The designer where you build visually, the CMS for managing dynamic content, the editor for content teams to update site without touching the design, and Webflow hosting, which makes care of deployment and performance. So Webflow is not a no-code tool in the sense that is abstract everything anyway. It gives you real control over layout, typography, interaction, and CMS structure, but through a visual interface rather than a text editor. If you know how the web works, Webflow makes a lot of sense quickly. If you are newer to web design, so UGIIT is a great place to that foundation. Next, why should you learn Webflow? So first, there are several reasons why Webflow is becoming one of the most popular website development platform today. So first, it allows you to build professional website much faster than traditional coding method. Second, Webflow includes responsive design tools, making it easy to optimize website or desktop, tablet, and also the mobile devices. And third, it comes with a powerful content management system or CMS, which allows you to manage dynamic content such as blogs, portfolio, and business websites. And finally, Webflow is highly valued in the freelancing and agency industry, creating excellent opportunities for web designers and developers. So next, what you will learn in this course. So throughout this complete Webflow course, we will cover Webflow fundamental, design interface, layout and structure, flexbox and CSS grid, responsive and design, and response and forms user interaction, CMS and dynamic content, animation and interaction, and also the real world project. So by the end of this course, you will be able to build and launch professional website confidentially, I sure. So That is for today introduction to Webflow. In this next lesson, we will create a Webflow account and explore the dashboard step by step. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and also turn on notification so you will never miss an upcoming lesson. So thanks for watching and I will see you the next lesson.